Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT or other cryptocurrencies from one Binance account to another Binance account. First, open the Binance exchange. Then you will see a page like this. First of all, you need to click on Assets. Then you will come to this page. Then you need to click on Send. Then you have to click on Send Withdrawal. After that, you can search for the coin you want to transfer here or charge it here. I want to transfer USDT. I will charge. You can see that after charging USD has arrived here. You have to click on it. Then you need to click on Send via email, phone number here. Then the person you want to transfer to, if you want to transfer USDT or any other coin via the person's email address, then click here. You can see that after charging USD has arrived here. You have to click on it. Then you need to click on Send via email, phone number here. Then the person you want to transfer to, if you want to transfer USDT or any other coin via the person's email address, then click here and select email here. You need to select the email. Then you have to write the email address of the person you want to transfer to here. So here I am entering a random email address. You will give the email address of the. You can see here that I have entered the email address. Next, you need to enter the amount you want to transfer. So I am putting X dollars here. Then you need to click on Send. Then an OTP linked with Binance will arrive and you have to confirm using that OTP. Then it will be the USDT from your Binance will go to that person's Binance account, and if you want to transfer in a way other than email, then click here. Then you will see there is a phone number. You can also use the phone number or the Binance ID if you prefer. I will also show you what you need to do using the Binance ID. What do you need to do first for that? You need to open the Binance track of the person you want to transfer to. Then click here. Then you can see there is a number labeled as ID here. You have to copy it. After that, you need to open your Binance exchange again and go to the previous place. After returning to the previous place, you can see you have to click here again. Then you have to select Binance ID. After that, you need to enter the ID that you copied from that person here. Then you have to enter the amount here. Then you have to click on the center again. After that, you have to confirm with the OTP linked to that Binance account's email. Then you can transfer from one Binance account to another. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.